children. Welcome to class 1. I'm Aram Samantha, your English literature teacher. Before I start the lesson, I will show you some pictures. What you see in these pictures. Do you know the difference between mouse and a rat? Mouse is smaller than rat. Have you ever touched a mouse or see a mouse at your home? Come on, give me the answer. Why is mouse always hungry? And what does it like to eat? Come on, children, think about it. Now, children, would you like to hear a story? Yes? Okay. Then sit down, everybody, and listen carefully. In the end, I will ask you some questions. Today, we read at chapter 1, The Hungry Mouse. The story is based on Mouse from your English literature book, page 9. Here are some new words in the paragraph. We learn them first. It will help you to understand the story, and it also help you in reading and improve your pronunciation. Come on, children, read these words with me. The hungry mouse. The first word, hungry. Second word, want. Third word, looks. Fourth word, find. Fifth word, pass. Sixth word, weeks. Seventh word, still. And eighth word, cloth. Now let's start reading. Please, children, open your book, page number 9. Lesson, The Hungry Mouse. Let's start reading with me. It is a hot day. Mr. Mouse is hungry. He wants some food. He looks here. He looks there. He looks and looks. He cannot find any food. The days pass. Mr. Mouse is thin. The weeks pass. Okay. Our first page is finished. Now I will explain you the story. Who is the main character in this story? Yes, the main character of the story is Mr. Mouse. How do you know it is a hot day? Look at the picture. The sun is shining brightly. It means it is a hot day. Children, why Mr. Mouse come out from his home? Mr. Mouse come out because he is hungry. What he is looking for here and there. And why? He is looking for food because he is hungry. Why is the mouse going thin? Look at Mr. Mouse. He become thin. He cannot find something to eat, so he become thin. Okay, now turn your page. We will start reading page number 10. Mr. Mouse is thinner. A month passes. Still there is no food. Mr. Mouse is very, very thin. I'm very thin. Thanks, Mr. Mouse. I must eat something. Mr. Mouse goes down the path. He sees a basket of corn with the red cloth on a top. There is a hole in a basket. Mr. Mouse goes in the hole. Mr. Mouse is very thin. Mr. Mouse eats the corn. He eats and eats. I'm full, he says. Okay, let's start explanation of the lesson. Look at this picture. Mr. Mouse is very, very thinner. Now you tell me, how long has Mr. Mouse been hungry? He has been hungry for a week and a month. Where does he goes to find food? Where does he goes to find food? He goes down the path to find food. What does he see in the basket? Look at this picture. It's a basket of corn. What does he see in the basket? It's a corns. I like corns very much. You children like corns? How he gets into the basket? There is a hole in a basket. Look at this. This is a hole. It's a very small hole. And Mr. Mouse is thin, so he easily get through it into the basket. Now I'm going to ask you some question and you have to answer me. How is the day? Who is hungry? Why does Mr. Mouse look here and there? Did he find anything to eat? What happened to Mr. Mouse when he does not get the food? What food did he find for himself? How much food did he eat? Student, this is your home task. You have to write the answer on a full-scape sheet and submit in the school office on Thursday between 9 to 10 a.m. This is the end of part 1 of the lesson, The Hungry Mouse. Now goodbye children. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet in part 2 of this lesson. Bye-bye. Have a good day.